Welcome to the mix, and we have here Dwayne as he speaks about his bank account. He would like to show his followers his other bank account, and he's saying that he has, money. He's never broke, and he's going to go ahead and try to fix himself up so that people see that he has stuff. And right now, he's singing a song, "You Broke Like Brokisha." I guess that's a new song that's out. Dwayne's song, that is. So let's get right in the video and see where it goes from here. Please also remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Just tell me, darling. Yeah, you know what? Someone said to me yesterday, why do I always play with my hair? It is my hair. Me shows my ear longer than your ear. That's why you so mad. I'm a damn man. I'm a man. That's why I am blessed. God bless me with long hair. My mom's hair is all in her back. So clearly, I'm getting like a mother jean, mother long ear jeans. Me a dash out one of my next account for the drunk crown bad mind spread people them all out have dry shit to them batty all. That is what's happening over here, darling. Okay. Me nah stop, Cheryl. Me nah stop. On already. Me set it for her. Man, put on the cold ring. Put on the cold ring. Time a cold ring. I'm gonna cold ring there. Honest to God, I fling this stuff all around the damn place. I don't know where the hell I put it. Where are you? Where are you? What's it up on already? On a once me account there. On a once one of my next account there. I know. I know they want to sing, 'cause their lives are so miserable and them broke like Brokisha. You do not need to go to, You do not need to go to, I think you're saying there, but you said you're. But still a dashy thought. You can show accounts every day. Yes, me want them style me, want them talk. I still have my dirty money at the end of it. Murder. If you in the Freemason out. Freemason in the backside. I caught me that short pan them, she'll see me my dirty money. I say if you're happy. I mean happy all the time. Little girl, what do you want? Little girl, what do you want? Little girl, what do you want? I like to call me for.
Yes, you
really call me for. I like to call me for.
You want somebody talk? I went 13 then you talk to me and back.
13 can't tell me. 13 is not my move to talk me in my back. Are you there?
If you talk to me yourself.
13 is not my mama.
Your mother not do it.
My mother have a dirty money and people can't stand my mother. Them wish they could stand my mother though, but they can't. My mother stay good. Stay good. My good mother. Me love her. Me love me mother. Me love me mother.
Your mother was cancelled.
Honest to God. Clearly don't want to say. I don't want to say. Wow.
Do you? You feel yourself. I don't follow people. our people.
Nah, them can't stand nobody over here, darling. Need to go and sit their asses down and have several seats.
I will beg, you know, nobody can't stand. I'm you can't stand me. I'm not the one to be everything.
Me mad from me band. That's me not say bad no. Me say me mad MAD from me band. That's why me gwan so. Me mad from me band. Not bad, mad. Me mad from me band. That's why me gwan so. Bossy! Talk to me nice. I'm not glad to them. What you want? What you want? Me said this morning I had the biggest breakfast meal. I had fried dumpling and tuna and stuff. No. Are you ready? No, me no want. I don't never feel anything in the body, darling, because people poison me. I want them poison me. I don't want them poison me. Only sorbet. It has to be sealed. It has to be sealed. And I said, please open that sorbet for me. Bonjour. Bonjour.
So that's it for today, blenders. Big up on a nice clean self. And enough respect once again to you all. Thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing.